guys, May 27, 2025. Then we got a call from a guy. He's got a drain on the kitchen sink that's dripping. So it's coming from the bottom of the brass pipe. We'll go over there and see what's going on with it. We'll try to get you some shots. Here's a leaker. I'm gonna change that trap. I got a LA trap here. I should be able to get it apart here. I think. Maybe. Here's a leaker. Here's a leaker. Come off there or not, maybe. Oh, look at that. Maybe. Will it come off? I don't know. A fucking leaker. Here's a leaker. Gentle persuasion. That's what they call that. She's a leaker. Fucker's old. Let's see if the brass is any good on the threads. So good for the brass pile, maybe. This is what they call an LA trap. It's got a swivel on it. LA. LA trap. to put little Teflon and pipe dope on it. Oh. What the hell? I'm a little dried up there. Got a little dried up, Mama. A little snot action on there. Getting down in the nitty gritty on the Smurf drizzle. I don't know if this is going to work. I think it's about the same. Yeah. Should be the same, more or less. Yeah. Fuck. I don't know what's going on. We'll let go. Maybe. We'll find out right now. Gasket on there. Hopefully. I should have gasket on there. Yeah, we'd have to go with a longer piece. That's what they call an LA trap. This fucker. Gotta go. Gotta come up some more. Maybe. This one first. I don't know why that's not Let's see if it leaks. No, it's leaking. She's leaking from that gasket on the bottom. Let's see what's going on with that gasket. Maybe it's over tighten it maybe. Let's try that. That's better. Fucking shit from Japan, you know. Shit from Japan and China. It's from China. Any leaks, ain't leaking, so that's what I care about. I need to put a new sink in this thing. Yeah, I don't like to have shit done half-ass. I want to fucking have it done right. Well, I want to see it gonna be done right. Like that. I don't want us to go all the way up. Like that. Cut this fucking thing with a grenade, I think. Son of a guns. This is a handyman special from hell. That's how it should be, going up and then back down. This way, if the sink backs up, it don't drain into the dishwasher. That's how it should be. Cut it with a grenade, I think. Alright, not leaking. It's steel. It rotted out. Should have been brass. Should have been a brass nut. It rotted right out. That's why I got a big truck. I carry everything I need. These flicking clowns. Oh, you should drive around. You should drive around on a little Prius. That's all you need. Yeah, that's all I need, alright. I got everything in here. I got everything in this truck but the ex-wife.